Hello everyone, welcome to another Xbox tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to fix Xbox Discord Relink account not working. So this usually happens because of the connection error. However, in most cases, it can be also something different. So for example, how you will be able to fix it, you have two different fixes. So obviously the first fix can be to open the Discord mobile app or your computer app or platform, tap on the emoji icon at the bottom of navigation bar, select connections. From there, tap on the X next to the Xbox icon and select disconnect. This will disconnect it on your Discord. From there, you're obviously gonna go to add and select Xbox again and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect your Xbox account to Discord. Now, as you can see, after you reconnected, the Relink account error should be fixed. However, if it's not fixed, I found another issue or another way how to fix this issue is to unlink Discord from Xbox, power cycle your Xbox, disconnect and reconnect through Xbox app on the phone, and then verify IP address through email, and then relink to Discord on Xbox, and this will work, as you can see. So this basically works, and this also works. You will just need to go and test it out for yourself and see if that works for you. Now, obviously, this is an extensive error that a lot of people have right here, as you can see on Reddit. This was 3 months ago, so yeah, this is pretty much how you can fix it. Again, if you have any questions or if you still don't know how to fix it, comment down below and I'll be able to help you. However, also try to go and contact support as well. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video, guys.